Hello everybody, welcome back to my next video. I'm Veronica. Today we're making marmalade chicken. Slow cook.
Marmalade chicken.
I already said that. 4 cup?
Yes, 1 cup.
Nice.
Mess.
Who cares?
Oh, see, grumpy. Bit more, just. Oh, mess. Okay, that should be enough. Put the stuff on the side, yeah. And the other mess that you've made. Okay, put it in the bowl. Now you need 2 teaspoons of the dark soya sauce. Yes, 2 teaspoons of that. Okay. 2 teaspoons of the garlic.
Same.
Okay. And 1 of the ginger. Yeah. Oh,
What?
bit dangerous with the knife.
And you got a problem?
Don't want to be around you when you've got knives. And one, yeah.
We got a problem.
Okay, then cut the onion. Just got the sharp knife. Oh, getting fancy. Oh.
It's all chopped up. I'm gonna put them with in the bowl. So we're gonna I've got 8 chicken pieces here. 8. So I'm gonna put them in the slow cooker. I mixed up. I put the onions with the marmalade, so put it with the chicken. So I'm gonna put it on high for, it's like on high. Turn it on. Then put it on high. So leave it for 3 to 4 hours. Listen, video how to make marmalade in a slow cooker. You guys want this recipe description to link my bar below. Subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Running is out. Bye.